What are AI agents, the next evolution of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is entering a new era. For the past few years, AI has largely been known for generating text, writing code, answering questions, and creating images. But a new generation of AI is emerging, one that doesn't just respond to prompts, but can plan, reason, make decisions, and complete entire tasks on its own. These systems are called AI agents. At their core, AI agents are software systems that can work toward a goal with a high degree of autonomy. Instead of simply answering a single question, an AI agent can break a complex objective into smaller steps, decide which tools it needs, gather information, take actions, evaluate the results, and adjust its approach until the task is complete. Think of the difference between asking a chatbot, "What's the weather tomorrow?" and asking an AI agent, "Plan my weekend camping trip." A traditional chatbot might simply tell you the forecast. An AI agent could check the weather, compare campsites, reserve one, create a packing list, map the route, add the trip to your calendar, and notify your friends, all with minimal supervision. That shift from simply generating answers to actually accomplishing goals is what makes AI agents so powerful. So how do they work? Most modern AI agents are built around a large language model, or LLM, which acts as the system's reasoning engine. But unlike a standard chatbot, the LLM is connected to external tools and software. It can search the web, access databases, execute code, call APIs, interact with business applications, and communicate with other AI agents when needed. When given a task, the agent follows a continuous cycle. First, it understands the goal. Next, it creates a plan and breaks the work into manageable steps. It then chooses the appropriate tools for each step, carries out those actions, reviews the results, and revises its plan if something doesn't work as expected. This loop continues until the objective has been achieved or the agent determines it needs human assistance. One of the biggest advantages of AI agents is memory. Unlike traditional AI systems that often treat every conversation as a fresh start, agents can remember previous interactions, user preferences, and information gathered during a task. That allows them to build context over time, provide more personalized assistance, and avoid repeating work they've already completed. Another important capability is tool use. An AI agent isn't limited to the information stored inside its language model. It can retrieve real-time information, operate external software, analyze documents, run calculations, or trigger workflows across multiple applications. This makes it far more useful for real-world work than a chatbot that only generates text. Many experts also believe the future lies in multi-agent systems. Instead of relying on one general-purpose AI, multiple specialized agents can collaborate, each handling a different responsibility. One agent might perform research, another write code, another verify accuracy, and another communicate with users. Together they can solve problems that would be difficult for a single AI system to manage efficiently. The potential applications are enormous. Businesses are already exploring AI agents for customer support, software development, IT operations, financial analysis, legal research, supply chain management, healthcare administration, scientific research, and countless other workflows. Rather than replacing people, these agents are expected to automate repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on higher value work. However, AI agents also introduce new challenges. Because they can take actions autonomously, organizations must ensure they operate safely, securely, and within clearly defined limits. Developers need ways to monitor agent behavior, prevent unauthorized actions, protect sensitive data, and maintain human oversight when important decisions are involved. Governance and security are becoming just as important as the intelligence of the agents themselves. Despite these challenges, many researchers believe AI agents represent the next major leap in artificial intelligence. Just as smartphones transformed computing by putting powerful software in everyone's pocket, AI agents could transform how people interact with technology. Instead of manually completing dozens of individual tasks, users may simply describe their goal, while intelligent agents plan, coordinate, and execute the work on their behalf. In other words, AI is evolving from a system that answers questions into one that can accomplish objectives. And that shift could fundamentally change how we work, learn, and solve problems in the years ahead.